Hello, hi friends. I will tell you today how to create a bootable pendrive. Okay, I have a Windows 10 image file and the software we need the most important to make a bootable pendrive. First of all, you open the Google Chrome and type roughs download. Okay, see here roughs download and click on this. We get the roughs official website. This is the software which make the pen drive bootable. Okay, we need to download it. I will scrolling down. Okay, here download, close it, and I have a 14 GB pen drive SanDisk downloading. Okay, I will remove it. See here I have a Windows 10 image file. Okay, it's done. I'm opening it. The software name is roughs. Okay, here is my pen drive 16 GB SanDisk. Okay, and I should select the ISO image file here, not here, sorry, here. Click on it, click on the select. Okay, we should need to browse the image file. I have on desktop my image file on desktop. Okay, here is my Windows 10. I will click on it and open. Okay, image options, standard Windows installation. Okay, you should don't change this. Okay, volume label. Okay, interface. Okay, Catholic cluster size. Okay, you should need to click on the start button. Warning, all data on device Karthik H 16 GB will be destroyed. To be continue with this operation, click OK. To click cancel. Okay, I think the pen drive will format. Okay, it was creating a bootable pen drive. Wait until it finish. Okay, see here is my SanDisk 16 GB pen drive. It was formatted into a bootable. Okay, still the operation is not completed, still it's going on. Wait until it completed. Okay, please don't cancel, it can be corrupted or damage to the pen drive. Okay, okay, it's finished off. Okay, it's still 45.2%. Okay, it's still going on and wait for until finish. Okay, I think my pen drive space was running out. Yeah, we can see here 11.8 GB free and 14.5 GB left. Okay, it's going on 56.7%. Still it was not completed yet. It's 60%. Okay, it's completed 70%. Still it's not going on. Yeah, it's 80%. Still it was running and going on. 91% was completed. Still it was running. It's completed 96%. It was finishing. It was near to finish. Okay, it was 98.9%. It arrived to 99%. Okay, still only 8%. Okay, still remaining. We'll see how much GB was arrived. Okay, it was taken 9.12 GB free of 14.3 GB. Oh my god, it was so much. My image file is 5 GB. Okay, it was completed. Okay, we need to click on the close and again on close. Okay, now our bootable pendrive is ready. Okay, this is our bootable pendrive. We need to restart and go to the BIOS settings, and we need to reboot the PC. Okay, thanks for watching guys.